Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by loading the final video and any transcript you already have. This saves time. Once the clip is imported, set the project frame rate and timecode to match export settings so captions stay synced. If you don't have a transcript, play short segments and transcribe verbatim. If you do, clean timestamps and mark speaker changes. Make sure to prepare the output format, SRT or VTT, because timing conventions differ and you'll need that format later. Now you break the transcript into caption-sized chunks and place them on the timeline. Shorter lines read faster and reduce eye strain. Once done, use the audio waveform and playhead to nudge start and end times. Trim by milliseconds so words don't split awkwardly. During this stage, adjust duration to match natural reading speed and allow for speaker pauses. Make sure overlapping dialogue uses separate tracks or speaker labels for clarity. Keep accessibility in mind. When choosing punctuation, finish by exporting your subtitles in the correct format and encoding. UTF-8 is safest for special characters. Then preview the final video in the target player or platform to confirm sync, line breaks, and speaker attribution. If you find drift after upload, retime using the editor's global offset or re-encode the video with the same frame rate you used when creating captions. A key troubleshooting tip: if timing shifts, check frame rate mismatches first and apply a consistent timecode correction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.